How to use Fiebing's Tan-Kote. This is a demonstration for the proper application of Fiebing's Tan-Kote, which is a resin-based formula designed for belt and saddle makers as an easy-to-use top finish. They like it because it will wear off in time so that it can be oiled over and then simply reapplied. It will create a mellow gloss and rich shine. It really gets down into the grooves and adds a little emphasis to carved details. For this demo, we used a carved leather piece that was treated with Fiebing's Pro Resist antique finish, fully dried, and buffed with a piece of sheepskin wool. To transfer the Tan-Kote from its bottle to the leather, you can use a piece of clean, dry sheep wool. Apply one coat of the Tan-Kote liberally to the leather in a circular and back and forth motion to ensure it is evenly spread over the entire surface and fills into all the carved edges and grooves of the leather. Drying time depends on your unique environment. You can speed up the drying process by using a hairdryer on no heat or lowest setting, or you can leave it overnight to ensure it is completely dry. The final step is buffing the entire surface of the leather with a new clean dry piece of sheep wool or soft cloth. Rub the surface until you get your desired mellow finish. That is how you properly use Fiebing's Tan-Kote.